Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So right now we are just going to kind of test out how the keyboard work. It could come back. Okay, yeah. So this is how I'm gonna test it. Make sure that the switch is not having any issues. So this is like the keyboard second video ID that I was talking about in my previous video when I'm building this one. So I'll probably slowly coming back out like I wouldn't say retroactive, but like re-uploading kind of test the first keyboard that I built, the Blackpink one, the Sakura, the Cherry Blossom one. The Christmas one, unfortunately, I cannot do the video on that because that's the inspiration is because I was working on that one, fixing that one, and then in my head I was like, as I was fixing it, that's when I created, I could do a QA video on each of the other keyboards. So I technically already fixed all the issues on that one, and that one working perfectly fine. So now I'm just, start from now on, testing out the keyboards and stuff. So yeah, so what you call it, troubleshooting, testing, whatever you call it, could be short, could be long, depending on how much issue it is with the keyboard. So if it's smooth, video will be short, nothing else. We do a little sound test, typing test, like I see it up there. If there's a lot of issues, of course it'll be longer because I have to pull out the switches, fix it, replace it, stuff like that. So yeah. So I have one. So as you see, as I'm pressing it, the color disappear on the screen there. I don't know why I'm pointing like that, but that's on the screen there as you see, which mean that it is it working, like it's registering. So just heads up. So if a 910 and okay. Okay, yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Accident hit F11, but there'll be a cut, sorry. This is like ID. So far we know this first row here worked just fine. And we're gonna try down here. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Score equal. Okay, perfect. Perfect. JKL. Enter. Perfect. Perfect. Maybe Windows sign not working. Okay, yeah, the window key is not working, so here it is. Go. The switch is messed up. No, it did not bend. Interesting. Maybe let's try the different switches and see. Yeah, sure. We might run into little issues here actually. Doesn't seem like switches issues. Line issues here that we're running into right now. I know the base bar work. Oh, control work. This work. Page up and down register, so that's good. This is supposed to be delete, but I have it as home. I don't know if you all can see it, but you can see it out of video. So, okay. So this is all. Oh! Okay. Maybe it's help that okay, we see the issues now. So this work. So it's working now, which is oh! Ha! Because I had the options on, that's why. I thought it's underline issues. Okay. Okay, so this one keyboard work out perfect, but we just do swap some switches around. So we're going to do that too. So I'll put the whole thing up as well. So switches are fine because I checked it. Nothing wrong with it. So we just swap into place of these two because they're all supposed to be here. Which is very different. Yeah, so that's alt. They popped up right there. That's a really good thing on this too, is that I can tell what kind of switches. Okay, yeah, see, window pop up. So, okay, perfect. Yes, because this turned off the window option, so that's why I pressed this, so that's fine. Audio volume work, perfect. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go and fix that on this keyboard too. Okay. Because I put everything back earlier together, so I'm just like unboxing it right now. So I will slowly upload more video to retest my stuff. I definitely want to retest the Blackpink one. I definitely want to test out. I will link this keyboard testing site in the description as well if anybody interested. But you know, yeah. Color hasn't come out with those sticker thing. Okay, so that's a delete. So we need a delete options. I know they have a spare one somewhere that I saw earlier. And jump and command code. Because append doesn't fix it, but that's an option, so that's fine. Oh, there's the delete. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna take this one out. Cool. Guys off here. There you go. Then just put it back in here. Do delete. Press it in. Ta-da! Perfect. Fixed it. Alrighty, so it's all turned out good. That's me. Alright, then we do a little couple minutes of like a typing. Sorry if you hear a car. No, that's an air. we're being authentic as possible, you know, have a lot of stuff going on. Let's go to a typing test. Let's do this. Oh. Continue. My typing speed pretty nice, 72, almost 73 word per minute with 90% accuracy. They're pretty good, yeah. Feel really smooth, very nice. Sorry for the mess I have here. Yeah, that's it for the testing video. I hope you guys enjoy it, like the sound. There's definitely more video of this to come. This actually will be a solid video idea for sure. Yeah, so more video to come. And again, hope you guys like the video, like the sound test, keyboard testing, QA, whatever you call it, troubleshooting. Please leave a like, a thumbs up to the video, like, thumbs up, same thing. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well. That would help out this channel a lot, and I would greatly appreciate it, and also help with the YouTube algorithm as well. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a good one, and have a great starting of 2025, and Happy New Year. Peace.